Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about enhanced conversion. This is a feature in Google Ads that can help you improve the accuracy of your conversion tracking. So I have to click on settings. Here you can see how to enable enhanced conversion. It is basically active by default in our app, but in case it is not enabled, you can enable it and we will learn this later on. So first of all we have to move to Google and check what is enhanced conversion tracking. Google says that it is a feature that can improve the accuracy of your conversion measurement and unlock more powerful bidding. It supplements your existing conversion tags by sending hashed first-party conversion data from your website to Google in a privacy-safe way. So here you can see in my store I have completed the purchase event. And let me tell you what does it simply mean. Here you can see I have completed the purchase event. If we move to the summary, here in tags you can see the purchase event. Let me open it. Once the purchase is triggered, we can provide the data layer. As you can see down there, you can see this data is related to concerned user about their activities like add to cart, purchasing and stuff like that. This will attribute in Google's conversion, so I have to move to my Google Ads account. So here I am on my Google Ads account in goals and summaries. Here you can see the purchase event. Let me click on it. You can see the enhanced conversion over here. As I have told you previously, it will be active by default, but in case if it is not active, then we will click on edit settings, click on enhanced conversions, and you can see it is already active. Let me check on settings. It is getting the data from Google Tag Manager. If it is not getting the data, you can link it and enable the above option. Being an agency owner, we use this feature for sure for creating more optimized ads and increasing the conversion. It is quite a great idea. It will improve conversion tracking. It will provide more data for better insights. It will improve bidding. This means that your ads may be shown more often to people who are more likely to convert, which can help you get more out of your ad spend. So I hope you have got the idea how to enable enhanced conversion track. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.